Welcome to Lavanya's computer classes. In this video, I will explain one more paper, Programming for Problem Solving. This is in August 2021. This is also Corona pattern question paper. Answer any 5 questions. All questions carry equal marks. Maximum marks is 75. This is also R18 batch. So, first question, because totally 8 questions are they gave, write any 5 questions. So unit wise also some unit questions are repeated because we have only totally 5 units are there, but here 8 questions are there. So in this first question is 1A. In all the questions they are giving A and B bits. 1A is differentiate between typecasting and type conversion. Actually it is type conversion only. So what is typecasting and what is type conversion means? Typecasting is called as explicit conversion, type conversion is implicit. So we have to explain, otherwise already we know about what is type conversion or what is typecasting. But in this type conversion, automatically compiler only done the conversion implicitly. That's what is known as implicit. Explicit conversion is known as typecasting. So we write implicit conversion and explicit conversion. Automatically it is coming under differentiate between typecasting and type conversion. Second one, so that is for 7 marks. So total one question carries 15 marks. So only 7 marks is allotted for A. Next question number 1B, write a program to count the number of vowels in a text. So how many, what are the vowels? In that, just take any word, in that word how many vowels are there? It is a program, simple program, it is 8 marks. Then coming under second question, 2A. 2A is also program. Write a program to read 2 numbers, then find out whether the first is a multiple of the second number. This is also programming. So 8 marks, they gave directly 8 marks. Second question is explain the use of command line argument with an example. Just it is a theory question, command line arguments. Very important question. So the question is coming for 7 marks question. So one program and one theory question. So both are 15 marks. Third question, describe about the enumerated data type with an example. Enumerated data type or enum, simply it is called as enum. User defined data type, very important question. So that is coming for 7 marks question. In this B bit is explain about the use of pointers in self-referential structure. So what is structure? Which structure is known as self-referential structure? In the self-referential structure, how we are using pointers. What is the use of pointers in self-referential structure? With program we can explain. Otherwise syntax, 8 marks. Third question is, this is coming under arrays concept. In the arrays concept, one is the program, first program. Write a program to transpose of a 3x3 matrix. Actually in arrays programs, matrix addition, multiplication, transpose. 3 programs are very important. So in this they gave transpose of a matrix. 8 marks question. And B bit is difference between structure and an array. What is a structure? What is an array? If you know difference, table wise you can write it. Otherwise just write array definition, syntax of array, and what is structure. How can you declare the structure? We can write like this also. So that is the difference between structure and array. Array is a collection of elements but all are belongs to same data type. Structure is also collection of elements but all are belongs to dissimilar data type. That is 7 marks. Next question is explain the importance of hash defined preprocessor directive. In the previous video I put one question paper, in that also they are asking preprocessor command. So very important question, preprocessor directives. Second bit, that is also question. So if you see this question paper, all A and B are there, one program, one is theory question. So total all questions almost are like this. One is the question program, one is the theory question. So here preprocessor directive is theory question is over. B bit is again program. What is the program? Is write a program to read a file that contains lowercase letters. Then write these characters into another file with lowercase characters converted into uppercase. This is similar to like copy the content of one file into another file. Not only copying, with copy the data and change the lowercase letters into uppercase letters also. So one theory question, one program. One is 7 marks, one is 8 marks. Sixth question. Sixth question is also same thing. One is the file, one is theory question. Here hash, if you see B bit and A bit both are preprocessor directives. 5A, 6B. Preprocessor directives only, but they are dividing into two parts. Sixth A is write a program to merge two files into a third file. The names of the files must be entered using command line arguments. So in this file concept, merging of two files are very, very important. Copy the content of one file into another file is also important. So this is a merging of two files. B bit is distinguish between hash if def and hash if and def. So this is also coming under preprocessor directive. If you read preprocessor directive, it is very easy to attempt 5A and 6B. Seventh question. In this also one programming and one is theory question. What is a theory question paper program means? Write a recursive program to find out the factorial of a given number. Very, very, very important question. Recursion program for factorial. Factorial program using recursion. Very, very important question. Next question, next theory question is explain about the dynamic memory allocation. Very important question. In this dynamic memory allocation, typecasting, 1A is typecasting, enumerated data type, command line arguments, very, very important question. In these four questions, typecasting, command line arguments, preprocessor directives, dynamic memory allocation, storage classes. In these five three questions, compulsory any one question is coming for any paper. So don't leave these questions. Compulsory read all these questions. Last question is write an algorithm to find out the minimum and maximum numbers of a given set. So find what is the minimum and maximum elements in the given array. Just algorithm. Bubble sort. B bit is explain about the bubble sort with an example. One is 7 marks question, one is 8 marks question. So this is the question paper for 2021 July. 2021 July. Read these questions. According to these questions, I already have some idea. In these we read typecasting, enum, storage classes, then dynamic memory allocation, preprocessor commands, and command line arguments. So how many questions are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 theory questions are there. Out of these 6 type, compulsory any one question is coming in the question paper. But in this question paper, all typecasting is there 1, 2, command line, preprocessor 3, dynamic memory allocation 4, enum 5. All 5 questions are came in this question paper. So read all these 6 questions without leaving, then PPS automatically very easy to write the paper. All the best students, prepare well for PPS exam. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, share my subscribe my channel, share this video to your friends. Thank you.